welcome to our empowering guide on how to make money fast as a woman. In today's world, financial independence is more important than ever, especially with the rising costs of living. Many women face unique financial challenges, whether it's balancing family responsibilities or breaking through traditional barriers in the workforce. But there's good news. Side hustles offer a powerful solution, providing a flexible and effective way to boost your income and gain financial freedom. Imagine tapping into your personal skills and passions, using them as a springboard to create new income streams. Whether you're a creative soul, a tech enthusiast, or someone with a knack for organization, there's a side hustle out there for you. Modern tools and technology have opened up a world of opportunities, making it easier than ever to start something on the side. This journey towards financial independence begins with recognizing the potential within you. We'll explore various side hustles, each offering unique benefits and challenges, but all promising the possibility of financial growth. Our aim is to inspire you to take action, explore these avenues, and find the side hustle that aligns with your skills and interests. So whether you're looking to supplement your income, save for a big goal, or gain more financial security, this guide is for you. Let's embark on this journey together and discover how you can achieve financial independence through side hustles. Blogging is more than just a hobby. It can be a strategic source of income. By focusing on a niche that aligns with your passions and expertise, you can create content that resonates with a specific audience. This boosts engagement and enhances your chances of monetization. The key to successful blogging lies in selecting the right niche and using effective SEO strategies. Optimizing your blog for search engines increases visibility, attracting more readers and potential income streams. Consistency is crucial. Regular content updates keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. With dedication and the right approach, blogging can transform from a side hustle into a significant income generator. If you have a passion to share and a story to tell, start blogging today and watch your financial potential grow. Remember, your voice matters, and there's an audience out there waiting to hear it. Freelance writing is more than just putting words on paper. It's a pathway to flexibility and financial growth. Imagine working from anywhere, setting your own schedule, and choosing projects that align with your passions. The potential for high income is real, especially when you focus on profitable niches like technology, finance, or health. Success doesn't come overnight. Building a strong portfolio is crucial. Start with smaller projects to showcase your skills and gradually move to more lucrative opportunities. Your portfolio is your ticket to attracting high-paying clients. With dedication, your writing can transform into a thriving freelance career. Whether you're crafting compelling stories or drafting technical documents, your skills can open doors to a world of possibilities. Embrace the freedom and potential that freelance writing offers, and write your way to success. In today's fast-paced world, monetizing your expertise through consulting or coaching can be a game changer. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a passionate enthusiast, there's always someone eager to learn from your experience. By establishing a strong online presence, you can reach a wider audience and offer personalized services that command high returns. Think of it as sharing your unique insights while building a thriving business. Leverage digital platforms to showcase your skills and connect with potential clients. With determination and the right approach, consulting or coaching can become not just a side hustle, but a rewarding career path. Remember, your knowledge is valuable, and by guiding others, you can achieve both personal satisfaction and financial success. So, take that step forward and start transforming lives while enhancing your own financial future. Imagine a job where you can work from anywhere, set your own hours, and choose the type of projects you want to tackle. That's the life of a virtual assistant. Whether you're managing emails, scheduling appointments, or handling social media, the flexibility is unmatched. Tailor your services to fit various niches, whether it's helping a small business owner stay organized or assisting a busy executive with their daily tasks. The beauty of being a virtual assistant is building a robust client base online, tapping into a global market right from your home. It's a side hustle that not only offers financial rewards, but also the freedom to balance work with personal life. By leveraging your organizational skills and digital savvy, you can carve out a rewarding career path as a virtual assistant. Explore this flexible work opportunity and start building your client base today. Transforming your language skills into a profitable side hustle is possible through online language teaching. This offers a unique opportunity to connect with students across the globe. Whether you're fluent in Spanish, Mandarin, or any other language, there's a demand for your expertise. Teach from the comfort of your home, reaching learners from diverse cultures and backgrounds. This side hustle not only allows you to earn a steady income, but also enriches your understanding of diverse perspectives. With numerous platforms available, you can easily find students eager to learn. By leveraging your language skills, you can create a flexible and rewarding career path that fits your lifestyle. Take the leap and start teaching languages online. It's a chance to share your passion, inspire others, and achieve financial independence. Start today and watch your efforts turn into a fulfilling and lucrative endeavor. In today's fast-paced world, editing and proofreading have become essential skills, especially with the surge in self-publishing. The demand for these services is higher than ever, providing a golden opportunity for those with a keen eye for detail. If you find satisfaction in perfecting content, this could be the ideal side hustle for you. As more authors and businesses seek to polish their work, your meticulous attention can transform into a profitable venture. Whether it's refining a manuscript or ensuring a business document is error-free, the opportunities are vast. By offering editing and proofreading services, you help others succeed while carving out a rewarding niche for yourself. Embrace your knack for detail and let it lead you to financial growth. Remember, every polished page is a step towards your financial independence. Start today and watch your attention to detail pay dividends in the world of words. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to earn passive income by promoting products you believe in. Imagine earning money while you sleep simply by sharing products online. Success in this field lies in choosing the right niche. Focus on areas where you have genuine interest and knowledge, making your promotions more authentic and engaging. Optimizing for SEO is crucial. Ensuring your content ranks high in search results increases visibility and potential earnings. With affiliate marketing, you don't need to create your own products or handle customer service. Instead, focus on building a community and providing value. Remember, consistency is key. Keep sharing, keep optimizing, and watch your passive income grow. Turn your online presence into a profitable venture with affiliate marketing. Graphic design is a vibrant and rewarding field that allows you to channel your creativity into income. As a freelance graphic designer, you have the freedom to explore a variety of creative opportunities, from designing logos and marketing materials to crafting stunning digital artwork. To succeed, it's crucial to market your services effectively across various platforms, reaching potential clients who value your unique artistic flair. Building a diverse portfolio showcases your range and skill, making you stand out in this competitive industry. Remember, your creativity is your currency, and with the right approach, it can open doors to exciting projects and steady income. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your client base, embrace the possibilities that freelance graphic design offers. Let your imagination lead the way and watch as your passion transforms into profit. In today's digital age, web design is more than just a creative outlet. It's a lucrative opportunity. With the surge in small businesses seeking to establish an online presence, the demand for skilled web designers has never been higher. Imagine transforming a blank canvas into a vibrant digital space that not only attracts customers, but also boosts a business's credibility. By crafting tailored websites, you can help businesses thrive while securing a significant income for yourself. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, this field offers endless possibilities to showcase your creativity and technical prowess. If you have an eye for design and a knack for technology, web design could be your gateway to financial independence. Dive into this high-demand industry and watch as your efforts not only enhance businesses, but also elevate your own financial journey. Every click and scroll on a well-designed website is a step towards success for both you and your clients. Welcome to the exciting world of AI prompt engineering. a cutting-edge field that's opening doors to lucrative opportunities. As technology evolves, the demand for skilled prompt engineers is rising, making it a perfect side hustle for those eager to innovate. With a knack for effective prompt writing, you can carve out a niche in the tech sector and enjoy significant earnings. This isn't just about understanding AI, it's about shaping how AI interacts with us. Imagine crafting prompts that drive AI tools to perform at their best, enhancing user experience across various platforms. By mastering this skill, you position yourself at the forefront of technological advancements. If you're ready to dive into the future, AI prompt engineering could be your ticket to both innovation and income. Embrace this opportunity to not only earn, but also to contribute to the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence. Voiceover work opens up a world of creative and profitable opportunities. Whether you have a knack for character voices or a clear, authoritative tone, there's a place for you in this diverse field. The key to success lies in creating high-quality samples that showcase your range and versatility. But don't stop there. Effective marketing is crucial. Leverage social media and online platforms to reach potential clients in media, advertising, and beyond. With dedication and the right approach, your voice can become a powerful tool for generating income. Embrace the challenge, hone your craft, and let your voice be heard across various channels. The demand for voiceover artists is growing, and with the right strategy, you can carve out a niche that's both fulfilling and financially rewarding. Start recording, get creative, and find your unique voice in the world of voiceover work. Creating online courses is a powerful way to transform your knowledge into a steady stream of income. Imagine sharing your expertise with eager learners across the globe, all from the comfort of your home. By packaging your insights into digital products, you not only educate but also earn passive income. The beauty of online courses lies in their reach. You can connect with a diverse audience, breaking geographical barriers and expanding your influence. Whether you're passionate about cooking, coding, or creative writing, there's a market waiting for your unique perspective. Start by identifying your strengths, then craft engaging content that resonates with learners. The digital world is vast, and your course could be the key to someone's learning journey. Embrace the opportunity to educate and earn, paving the way for a financially rewarding side hustle. With dedication and the right tools, your online course can become a cornerstone of your financial independence. In today's competitive job market, a well-crafted resume can be the key to unlocking career opportunities. That's why professional resume writing services are in high demand. If you have a knack for words and a keen eye for detail, this side hustle could be your path to success. By helping clients present their skills and experiences effectively, you enable them to stand out and make a lasting impression on potential employers. As you build a reputation for delivering quality work, word of mouth will spread, opening doors to more clients and opportunities. The satisfaction of knowing you've played a part in someone's career advancement is unparalleled. If you're ready to help others achieve their career goals while building your own business, resume writing is a rewarding and lucrative side hustle to consider. Start crafting careers today and watch your own success story unfold. Photography is not just about capturing moments. It's a fulfilling side hustle that can also boost your income. Imagine turning your passion for photography into a lucrative business. With the right equipment, you can produce stunning photos that clients will love. But it's not just about the gear. Marketing skills are crucial too. Promote your services effectively, and you'll find opportunities in events like weddings or family shoots. Personal shoots are also in demand, offering a chance to showcase your creativity. Whether you're capturing a couple's special day or a family's cherished moments, each click of the shutter is a step towards financial independence. If you have an eye for detail and a knack for storytelling through images, photography could be your perfect side hustle. Start snapping, start earning, and let your lens lead the way to success. As we reach the end of our journey, let's reflect on the diverse side hustles we've explored. From blogging and freelance writing to consulting, virtual assistants, and even AI prompt engineering, each opportunity is a stepping stone towards financial independence. We've highlighted how leveraging personal skills and modern tools can transform your passion into profit. Whether it's teaching languages, crafting digital spaces, or capturing moments through photography, the possibilities are vast and varied. The key to success lies in taking that first courageous step. It's about recognizing your unique talents and daring to turn them into opportunities. The road to financial empowerment is paved with action and determination. Don't let fear hold you back. Embrace these opportunities and start building your path to a more secure financial future. Your journey to financial independence begins now. With the knowledge and insights gained, you're equipped to make informed decisions that align with your goals. The power to change your financial destiny is in your hands. Take charge, explore these side hustles, and empower your financial future today. The time to act is now. Your potential is limitless, and your journey is just beginning. Let's make it happen.